That's a bit of the old canal. Frozen over. And there's more.
Look how deep it is. How deep would you say that is? Go and stick a stick in it and find out. It's not very deep.
Nah. Bet that be, I don't know, 8 inches.
Yeah.
Well, 12 in man inches.
We're two pensioners, but we're not quite ready for the old knacker's yard yet.
Oh no.
No. So if you follow us, and you'll see what we get up to.
On our YouTube channel. Oops! And if you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Indeed.
And yeah, we're on the forbidden footpath, ain't we? There's a big sign kind of there, and it's saying you can't walk up this bit.
Well, we are.
Oh, look! And through there, some more frozen canal. Excellent. Right, and more or less, Mol,
Yeah.
more or less, this is the first time we've been out
Yeah, this week.
in a week, because we ain't been able to go out in the car.
Yeah.
We haven't been able to go out in the car because there's been floods everywhere
Yeah, and ice.
and ice. So we've been confined to quarters, and it's not.
Two old age pensioners held prisoner in their
Yeah.
own home. We are.
And it's not been good for me with my breathing, has it?
Doesn't sound like it still is.
No, but hey ho, onwards and upwards. And on the left hand side we've got the new Barrett's abortion development. There's not a lot you can say about that really, is there?
No, we've spoken a lot about all this, haven't we?
Yeah, so yeah, they're going to have some problems there. Not sure whether you can see that, but there's a generator running because it's all flooded. Funny that.
Isn't it?
So we couldn't get up the other end of the path because it's all blocked off now. And here's the big warning sign. And then over there, here's the canal. That just shows how much water we've actually had, which is lovely. Excellent. So I'm just going to follow them on. And I'll try not to fall over.
No, don't do that.
You probably wouldn't get me off the ground now because I'm a lump.
No, that's true. Probably can get you off the ground.
Probably need an airlift. And over there you can see Tackley Bridge. I think it's one of the only few bridges left now, isn't it? It's one of the few bridges left now.
Yeah, I should think so, yeah. I don't know of any other.
Well, there's some more towards, there's one more I think towards Hunston Way.
I'm worried about Hunston.
And we're now walking across Tackley Bridge, which used to go over the old canal, but they need to do something about this because you can see the bridge arch starting to come through. fully useless information in them all.
For generations, the kids used to walk, and probably they obviously still do, walk over this bridge, go and catch the bus to the school.
Yeah. And your point is?
Why all of a sudden is the archway showing?
Well, it's traffic, isn't it? People walking across it and lack of maintenance. So they put those barriers up, and we're having to walk in the road because there's no footpath. Yes, there's one on the other side, but I want to walk on this side. That footpath over there is quite narrow, so if you're bringing children to school, you're basically dicing with death, isn't you? Chrysler. And that over there are some cottages that they're building, and those extra to the development plan. So I just fling them up anywhere. Keith, you're taking your life in your own hands. Here we go. This is onto the grass verge. Some beautiful old houses around here. Unfortunately, they're surrounded by developments now. I've got to show you this lamppost, love.
The one that's right in the middle of the pavement?
Yeah. We like this lamppost. It basically shows that the developers ain't got a clue, but they'll say, oh, you can walk around it. I mean, look at that. What do you think? Right, we're kind of in Drove Lane now, and we did mention to you a few weeks ago when they felled the tree that this field is next, and it's been confirmed. I don't know, it might be a crop. Don't mean to say they're going to do it right away. But you can see, again,
footpath sign down.
Yeah, you can see it's flooded, and Mole just noticed. Oh God, I'm going to die. Yep, says public footpath.
And it's not there anymore.
Yep.
They've not only just cut that one tree down, they've cut all the others down, look.
Oh yeah. Can't see too well, but yep, they've cut the other trees back as well. Unbelievable.
In fact, the whole lot, they have all the trees on that bit they have cut down. Is that going to be the next bit over there?
Yeah, probably. Look at that. All trees have been cut down.
they will level this, you know.
Yeah.
They will bloody well level it.
Here you go. Cut down. Cut down. Unbelievable, isn't it? Oh, show them the drainage pools.
See them, ain't
Hey?
they? Did we take pictures of them last time?
No. We did film them, but we never put it out. And there is me, all the trees have been cut down. All of them. Huh. There's Archie having a good sniff around, a good wee. Archie, good boy. Come on. So that's one of the pools.
Yeah, there's another one. I think just back a bit.
Yeah.
I don't know. Be interesting to see. Nice if they put some ducks or something on it, wouldn't it?
What, like plastic ones?
Yeah.
And Archie's decided he likes ice. And yeah, there you go. Oh, what walking?
No, building all these ponds on new estates.
Well, it's because they've been built on floodplains.
But what are they for?
To hold water,
Yeah.
and then they go out into the little pipes they've dug in kind of this area,
Well, that ain't going nowhere by the looks of it.
and they'd like, I think they're retention ponds or something,
Yeah.
where it holds the water
Yeah.
and then releases it,
Yeah.
and then we get floods.
Yeah.
So
I don't know. I don't know about them.
I'm afraid I prefer the field there.
Well, yeah.
So the thing is as well, they built these, or they're building them, it's huge, the development is huge,
Yeah. Come here. Archie, come.
and the prices start from 610,000. How is that affordable?
It isn't, is it?
Eh?
No.
Jesus. What are you doing? Eh? Did you break all that ice, Archie? Eh? Did you? Did you break all that ice? Eh?
He says, yep, that's where
Look, stand there.
that's where it nearly killed me. That is cold, love. It's a good one. I should come out of it.
Come on.
Look at that ball behind you, little pooping. Where's that bit? What have you got? No.
Archie, come on.
Oh. You don't want that.
No, dead. Good boy, come.
Come on.
Good boy. Come.
Come on.
Come on. Archie, come.
Come on.
What's this?